welcome to another session of SAP S4 Demo Series on SAP AI. In today's session, we are focusing on AI-assisted Smart Summarization. I am Bimal. I'm based out of Denver, Colorado, and I am currently running the SAP Business Network for Logistics and TM practice at SAP S4. Today, we are focusing on a topic called AI-assisted Smart Summarization. So this is introduced in SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, and the users can efficiently summarize contents in certain Fiori apps based elements-based business object apps using natural language. And there are also selection options where we can select what content needs to be in the smart summary. And we can copy the content and then paste it in an email or a Word document and convert it into a PDF document and send it to the respective users. This will help to summarize the content. For example, sales orders or purchase orders, there will be a lot of content in it. So a user can use Smart Summarize and then summarize the content in it and see only the relevant ones. And they can also send acknowledgements and emails to other parties. Wherever we have EDIs and B2B communications, we will use that, but there are also options available for users when they are working with smaller customers or vendors. In this demo, we will be focusing on using the Fiori elements based applications like manage purchase orders, manage sales orders, or manage outbound delivery orders, which is in EWM, right? Again, process warehouse tasks. These are all cloud warehouse management. Those two are cloud warehouse management apps, and we'll be showing how we can use Smart Summarize and how we can use select options and then copy it and then paste it into an email and see how it will look like. Business benefits like it will increase the efficiency and faster collaboration, of course, and decision making, and it has flexibility and customization also, but that will be explored in future, and there will be increased user satisfaction. In addition to that, we will be also focusing on how this will work with Joule, right? So for example, if I do summarize a sales order in Joule, what will be the output? Again, Joule is at an early stage in S/4HANA public cloud, so it has limitations. But as of now, how Joule will respond to a summarize an order, that also we'll see. This is just a tip of an iceberg, right? We are just starting to see how AI is giving you benefits, and some use cases are showing up, and this can be capitalized for more use cases or more advanced and complex use cases. This is, as of now, it is a very simple use case, but there's a lot of technology going at the back to make this summarization work. So let me go into the system first. So I am currently in S/4HANA public cloud system. I'm going to manage purchase order transactions, and I'm just going to take any of the recent purchase order that I have created. I'm just creating, opening it. And this is a purchase order. We have around $850, and there are a lot of content. There are items, line items, purchasing contracts, so many things are there. So if I click on the Smart Summarize option, this is the option, and I will get all those select options. I can select all of these. For example, if we create a purchase order and send the details via email to those supplier, I can just select some of it and then click on continue. It will summarize those contents which I selected, and we can use it in an email. So for example, this is the content that came in. It has all the details of what is the summary and location, some of the addresses, and what material, what is the quantity, what are the numbers, and some email and contact numbers. I can use copy all function. Even before copying all that function, if I feel that, okay, I don't want to talk about this conclusion piece, that does not make sense, right? So I can remove it, and then I can click on copy all function, and then I can go to an email, and then I can do paste it, and it will show up in that format itself, including the tables, right? So for example, these are all tables I can, which is copied from that option, right? So that helps us to send a formatted data, and then we can also update it here and send it to the relevant party, right? For example, in this case, we are sending it to this email address. We can put it here and send it. So simplifying it, obviously, if you have a PDF attachment, automatic email generation, this is not required. But if we are not yet there, then this option will be helpful. And for other purposes, users can actually see this and summarize rather than going into each fields and identifying it, right? For example, some of the search help values are already here. For example, purchasing group I have used 007. If you look into the system, it is 007, but the description and all shows up here. So it's a bit easy to summarize and read what is going on in the for that order. The other option, so this is one option, and I can go back to my initial screen and say sales order. So sales order is a good one, right? So I will just type sales order 80, and then I'm going to come here and I can use Smart Summarize, and I am currently putting all the options I'm having. So it will summarize all the features here, and then I can delete some of those if I don't want. And I have all the details, and I can copy all, and I can come here, and again, the same way I did for the purchase orders, I can copy it in an email or any other place where I want to do. Okay, so those are the options available for us to do the smart summarize. Now, this is sales order 80, and similarly, there are other use cases. For example, if I take warehouse tasks, so I can take any of the warehouse tasks, and any open order. So for example, on Monday, the internet and other things are not working, and all of a sudden it was a completely, initially it was all a completely fully automated and no paper warehouse, but something went out, you don't have any forms developed in the system, then we can quickly do this smart summarize, and that will, and then create a printout from here, put it in a Word document, put a printout and give it to the user. So here it will give the data like from where it has to pick up, where it has to be delivered, or to be put source bin and destination bin. So in this way, it can be used as a backup option if something is not working. So, and here also we can copy and delete and all those things we can do. Now, this is how it works, and similarly, right? It is. I just wanted to show that there is a run outbound process, which is like our uh, um, warehouse options, right? So this is not only restricted to very few old SAP transaction. All the latest and advanced features are also or advanced transactions are also having this smart summarize options available. For example, this is an outbound EWM outbound delivery order, manage outbound delivery orders, and then I can click on summarize, and that will summarize the content. So yes, it's a from a use case perspective, it may be simple, but it can have its own value for the end user. So it will show up everything. Now, the other thing which I wanted to show is like, okay, so how is it different from Joule, right? So for example, if I type summarize, so this is the Joule chat option available from SAP, right? This is activated in S/4HANA public cloud. Now, if I say summarize sales order 80, that is not something Joule is currently capable of providing the detailed task as detailed features or content as Smart Summarize is providing. It just says that it's being scheduled and there are no issues found, right? So from that perspective, Smart Summarize is slightly different from Joule, but in future, Joule may have more capabilities related to this. That is one. But as of now, it is Joule. This is much better and much more detailed content that we are getting from Joule. So yes, this helps. This is the future. We can see AI is maturing in SAP, and we are getting more use cases. And again, this will be capitalized in future, and we'll see more and more features built upon this. So that's the end of my demo for this today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact at finance4.com. Thank you.